Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this headband light. Let's go and see what's in the box. Okay, right away we see that it comes with a user manual, and it also comes in a little baggie here. And we can see they supply you with a charging cable. And this is it. Look how bright that is, wow. So you got three modes. You got bright, super bright, and flashing lights. So this is washable, which is a great feature. So to charge it, you just stick it in the port in the back. There's a little slit open that you can stick your cable inside, and then you plug this into any USB outlet. Computer, laptop, a wall outlet, anything with a USB, and it will charge your light. So you can remove this, and then you can go ahead and put this in your washer. So that's a nice feature that you can keep this out. And then you just pop it back in place by the design, so the flat part will go down, and you put it back in. Alright, so now that we have it on, we can go ahead, turn it on. So if you're walking, jogging, whatever you're doing, you can use this. If you're going exploration in the woods where it's darker, you can use it. If you're going in a cave or something, it works good. If you're a mechanic and you're working looking down, you have light, so it provides light. But overall, it works great, and we're going to use this for jogging and also for working on my vehicle when it gets towards evening. Very happy. And also underneath your vehicle, if you're working underneath it, it would be a great light source. So I like it, works great. Thanks guys.